I'd like to show everybody a little something here as a part 2 of Mormon temples being part of the Tartarian temples, Tartarian castles. There's a very common phrase, all roads lead to Rome, saying to mean that all the methods of doing something will achieve the same result in the end. Smart vocabulary. Well, kind of. All roads lead to Rome is an English idiom that means that different methods of doing something will eventually lead to the same result. This phrase takes its origins from the intricate system of roads built by the ancient Romans. Okay, well, back in the day, it was literal in many, many ways. A lot of answers can be found in Rome. Let me explain. This is the inside at Vatican City in Rome. Doesn't this kind of look like the temples? The Mormon temples that I was showing you? The Tartarian? Look at this. You got your columns, one on each side. And then your archway, big archway, symbolizing Janus. I mean, you've got it on multiple levels. I mean, in here, this actually looks like it could be the Freemason symbol again, right there. I mean, you got a bird, you got wings, you got all kinds of stuff going on here, right? So there's one photo. Here's another one. Again, you've got your archways, you know, Janus, half of a sun, cross in the middle, all the very fine, intricate details going on here. The symbolism is absolutely insane. In fact, that's one thing that Mormons at the temple, they tell you when you first go through, there's a lot of symbolism, a little symbology going on. And throughout our lives, we're to try and figure out the symbology of all of it. Well, I'm kind of doing that, and they're not going to be too happy with me. Here's another photo. Nice marble granite flooring everywhere. Beautiful columns. I mean, look, imagine the intricate detail that went on in here. Kind of like with the Salt Lake City temple. Took a long time to build. So I was like, well, let's take a look at what it looks like. Just a Vatican City map, right? Are you kidding me? The whole daggum thing is a star. I'm like, well, that can't totally be right, can it? I mean, that's one huge star fort. I mean, really? And then you've got this here. So let's take a look at Google Maps. Here we are, looking at Vatican City up close. As you can tell, it is definitely a star. You've got a large star. Wait a minute. Wait a minute here. Oh, man. Are you kidding me? A Death Star? No. 2 stars? 2 suns? Death Star? Oh, man. Look at all the crosses. 2 stars, 2 Death Stars here. There's another one over here. Oh, man. So let's just back up here for a minute. Let's back up. We're a little too close. I mean, we can obviously see this Tartarian all day long, right? But let's just kind of back up and take a look. Google Maps actually does us the convenience of outlining for us, looking at this huge star fort area. And this is a sovereign nation. All roads lead to Rome. Ain't that interesting? Oh! What's this over here? Castle San... How do you like that? Look at this, more crosses. This is a very interesting build. What is this? Borgo? Cover that up. What is that? What is that right there? What does that say? Like, really? Come on.
We are Borg.
What?
You will be assimilated.
Come on. Borg? Folks, it's in our face. So I backed out again, and here again, Vatican City. You can clearly see the star fort. You can clearly see this one. Look at this. Here's another one right over here. And then you come over here and look at this. Here's another big star. Going this way. Going this way. Nice round spot in the middle. This actually looks like, oh look, there's a little triangle here. Comes over here to this point. Comes over here to meet, almost like it would be a part of a triangle. Oh look, over here. Here's another triangle right here. and then a little triangle on top of it. Folks, all roads lead to Rome, to Vatican City, in every way, shape, and form. They are in charge of the whole ordeal. A lot of people don't realize. Look at all these sharp angles here. You got another like a diamond shape right here. Look at this right here. An eye, a triangle. Come on. It's everywhere. Start opening our eyes, folks. Start really paying attention to what's going on. It's the only way that we're really going to be able to move forward. And when we discover how the church has been suppressing, and I mean all Christian theology. I mean, look at what they did to those that were gay. I mean, the gay bashing, the disinclusion of family members that were gay, and they, it ruined their lives. I mean, so many would commit suicide. I mean, it's horrible. And who was doing it? Who was behind it? Vatican City, the church. And yet they were doing the same doggone thing themselves. Hypocrites. Stay safe, folks. Eyes open. No fear. Love is the only way forward.